Good day, and thanks for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com, New Jersey and the Northern Mid-Atlantic region's weather news portal. I'm forecaster Robert Smith with the in-depth forecast analysis video discussion for Tuesday, 17th of July, 2012. And the place to be today is going to be a pool, an ocean, a cooling center, or any place inside that provides air conditioning, because the heat indices today and Wednesday will be around 100. They'll be cooling along the South Shore and east ends of Long Island and along the New Jersey immediate coastline with sea breezes during the afternoon hours both today and tomorrow. But outside of that, the sun is going to be strikingly rich and very bright and very strong, with UV indexes around 8 and 9, and that's going to support burning up to 15 minutes if you're not using proper protection on your skin. Taking a look at the temperatures this morning, all the way in New York City this morning, we have temperatures of 81 degrees already at 7:30, 8 o'clock this morning here in New York City, all the way at 80 in Philadelphia. Temperatures today going into the mid and upper 90s, possibly approaching 100 both this afternoon and Wednesday afternoon over interior urban heat island effect locations. Now, we do have all these warnings. We have heat advisories, which will be into effect until 8 o'clock on tonight, and that's for a large chunk of northwest, northeastern New Jersey, including the city and its 5 boroughs. And then, of course, we have excessive heat warnings until 6 o'clock Thursday morning for the Philadelphia area, Trenton, all the way down through the northern Delmarva. And our area tomorrow will be in a general area of showers and thunderstorms, and the heat and humidity is going to be broken sharply and drastically, possibly even severely, tomorrow afternoon right through midnight tomorrow night across a large chunk of the area, and I'll show you why right now. High pressure is definitely in control. We find a short wave over northern New England, which is riding actually the winds. It's providing outflow boundaries here as the air is sinking from the northeast to the southwest across the mid-Atlantic. High pressure is in control. A weak thermal trough here across central New Jersey down through the Delmarva, and high pressure is at the center of all of this, and this is our huge heat ridge here, which is centered over the Tennessee-Mississippi Valley, and that's going to be providing the focus mechanism for any short waves or outflow boundaries from thunderstorms across southern New England to possibly make their way south. Now, the outflow boundaries themselves will be the conduit for any cumulus cloud buildup this afternoon, and also any kinds of shower or thunderstorm, albeit isolated, to affect the region anytime this afternoon. A stronger cold front will be coming in on Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night, and that is going to bring some very strong thunderstorms and heavy downpours to the area. Again, temperatures this morning in the upper 70s, around 80 degrees already, and this is what's striking the temperature dew points. Unbearable. Mid-60s to low and mid-70s, and this moist tropical air mass in place is going to mean very uncomfortable, muggy conditions this afternoon and tomorrow as this heat ridge builds over the top of us tomorrow, just ahead of a very potent polar air mass originating from central Canada, moving through the area on Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night. NAM WRF composite showing mostly sunny skies as we work through the day today, and there'll be some high scattered clouds around the area, but predominantly a lot of sunshine. Very strong temperature, sunshine will lead to very strong subsidence, and therefore we're expecting temperatures in the mid and upper 90s today, possibly around 100 in a few urban locations such as Newark or the Philadelphia metro area. We're expecting generally fair weather with clear skies, maybe some fog forming along the South Shore and east ends of Long Island at night, but that will be mostly isolated tomorrow morning. And then a continuation of a buildup of clouds across the region as we get through the day on Wednesday. Very hot temperatures tomorrow, upper 90s. Upper 80s to around 90 at the coast with a southwest wind, seas building. Remember, if you're out on the water, small craft advisories may become required tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night ahead of showers and thunderstorms. Rip current risk will be moderate both today and tomorrow, especially near jets and piers, jetties and piers. So do monitor Coast Guard and lifeguard observations throughout the day. As we get through the day on Wednesday, here's our cold front now. Still up in upstate New York, but we find showers and thunderstorms breaking out as early as middle afternoon on Wednesday across the lower Hudson Valley into Connecticut and Long Island. These storms could produce very heavy rainfall, cloud-to-ground lightning, and a possible tornado is not out of the question as the cold front moves through the area Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night. We can find that there might be some bowing here, and some of these storms are going to make all their way through New Jersey down through the coastal water. So if you've got plans on being outside, especially along the coast tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, be mindful, because these storms, when they move in, will be very dangerous with very heavy rain, possible hail, strong downburst winds, and very large amount of cloud to ground lightning. And the front will move through very slowly and sink south of the area. There still could be some leftover convection on the east ends of Long Island after midnight into early Thursday morning, and also for southern New Jersey. And then we get into a basic northeast flow of air with embedded short waves in it. One of those is showing up on the models for Thursday morning. Scattered showers moving in across northwest Jersey and into the Hudson Valley, and then that moves out of here as we get through the afternoon on Thursday. And by Thursday night and Friday, scattered cloud cover, and you'll notice a change in the air mass with dew points and temperatures coming down. And the dew points also meaning that relative humidities will become much more tolerable as we get through Thursday afternoon and Thursday night. There could be one more short wave on Friday, and then high pressure settles in with nice, comfortable weather. Overnight lows in the 50s and low 60s at night, and high temperatures in the low to mid 80s on Friday afternoon, Saturday afternoon, and Sunday. Remember, live coverage continues on our website 24/7. You want to stay tuned for that, especially Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night, as we've got all of our friends and Twitter feeds and myself doing the forecasting and keeping everybody abreast of where the severe thunderstorms, watches, warnings, and advisories will be located. If you're out on the waters today and tomorrow, remember, plenty of sunscreen. Dehydration affects all of us, and hypothermia too in the water, so do be mindful. Drink plenty of non-alcoholic beverages. Get into cooling centers or under umbrellas if you feel heat exhaustion coming on very rapidly. Other than that, enjoy your day. We'll be back bright and early with you on Wednesday morning. For GardenStateWeather.com, I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Make it a great day.